If you think you know every single detail about the Mazda MX-5 Miata, you might be in for a huge surprise today. Thousands of proud owners drive this legendary sports car every single day without ever realizing it has incredible secrets built right into the design. In this video, we are going to uncover 5 hidden features that Mazda engineers cleverly tucked away inside the Miata. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end, because feature number 5 is something almost everyone gets completely wrong, and it could save you serious money. But before we get to that big reveal, let us start with a simple trick that will instantly change how you use your interior space every day. Most people look inside a Miata cabin and assume there is barely enough storage room for a pair of sunglasses and a phone. You probably already know about the lockable glove box sitting right between the driver and passenger seats. However, if you look closely beneath the cabin floor carpet on the passenger side, there is a secret hidden compartment waiting for you. Mazda engineers knew space was tight, so they cleverly utilized every single inch of dead space beneath the interior body panels. This hidden floor spot is the perfect place to hide emergency cash, extra house keys, or important registration papers completely out of sight. Thieves will check the center console and cup holders, but they will never think to pull back the passenger footwell carpet to steal your valuables. It is also a fantastic spot to store small electronics or a spare wallet when you park your car with the roof down on a sunny afternoon. Because it sits flush beneath the heavy floor mat, nobody walking past your car can ever spot your personal belongings. It gives you complete peace of mind whenever you have to leave your roadster unattended in a busy city parking lot. Now, if you thought the secret floor stash was clever, this next hidden comfort feature is going to blow your mind, especially if you love cold weather driving. Most owners think that dropping the convertible top in the autumn or winter means you are going to freeze your ears off on the highway. But Mazda secretly engineered the climate control system to do something incredible the second you unlatch the soft top. When you drop the roof, the car's computer automatically senses the change and switches the HVAC system into a special open air mode. Instead of blowing air randomly into the open sky, it redirects focused warm air directly at your hands, knees, and lower legs. It creates a warm bubble of air inside the cockpit that keeps you cozy even when driving in freezing temperatures. You do not even have to adjust the dials yourself, because the smart system automatically recalculates air temperature based on your current vehicle speed. As you speed up on the highway, it pushes more warm air into the cabin to block out the cold oncoming wind. Once you know this trick exists, you will find yourself driving with the top down all year long, no matter how cold it gets outside. In addition to adjusting the temperature, the system also changes the direction of air flowing out of the main dashboard vents. It pushes air across the side windows to create an invisible thermal curtain that deflects cold gusts away from your shoulders. This means you can keep the convertible roof stowed away on a chilly morning without wearing a heavy jacket or thick gloves. Before we move on to hidden feature number 3, drop a comment below and tell me if you already knew about these first 2 secret tricks. And if you are enjoying these hidden details, stick around, because these next 3 features get even cooler. Feature number 3 solves a massive headache that almost every modern convertible driver deals with when buying coffee on the go. If you own an MX-5, you already know that the removable cup holders can get in the way of your elbow while shifting gears. Most drivers just accept this annoying problem or leave their drink holders at home in the garage to rot. What almost nobody realizes is that Mazda built secondary mounting slots directly into the passenger side footwell. Instead of letting your arm bump into your drink every time you shift into second gear, you can snap the cup holder right down into the lower console. It keeps your morning coffee completely secure, low to the floor, and completely out of the way of your shifting arm. It is a brilliant design touch that proves Mazda engineers actually test drive their cars in the real world before selling them. What is even better is that these mounting slots are engineered with heavy-duty plastic clips that lock your drinks firmly into place. Even if you decide to take a sharp turn or hit a bump on a rough back road, your travel mug will not tip over. It keeps your interior clean and prevents sticky coffee spills from ruining your nice carpet or leather seats. That footwell trick makes daily commuting so much easier. But this 4th hidden feature is all about boosting your driving performance without spending a single dollar. If you drive your Miata on twisty mountain roads, you probably wish the factory digital display showed a bit more useful information. Hidden deep within the infotainment system menu is a secret diagnostic setup that unlocks real-time telemetry data right on your dash. By holding down a specific combination of buttons on the center console, you can access a hidden engineering menu that displays exact engine parameters. You can view precise digital water temperatures, tire pressure monitors, and real-time battery voltage readouts that are normally hidden from the main screen. Track day enthusiasts pay hundreds of dollars for aftermarket gauges, but Mazda built these tools straight into your car for free. Having access to that hidden diagnostic data gives you complete peace of mind when you are pushing your car hard on a hot summer weekend drive. You can monitor your vehicle's health in real time without cluttering up your clean dashboard with ugly plastic aftermarket display pods. It turns your simple daily roadster into a high-tech telemetry machine with just a few secret button pushes. This hidden menu also allows you to run self-diagnostic checks on your car's electrical components and sensor networks without needing an OBD scanner tool. You can check sensor values, verify lighting connections, and monitor real-time wheel speed data right from the center screen. It is an invaluable feature for anyone who loves working on their own vehicle in the garage over the weekend. Now we have finally made it to hidden feature number 5, and this is the absolute biggest secret of them all. Almost 90% of Miata owners have no idea this emergency mechanical system exists, and knowing about it can literally save you from being stranded in the middle of nowhere. If your car battery dies completely while you are out on a road trip, you might think you are totally locked out of your vehicle. Many drivers panic because they see no visible keyholes on the trunk or passenger doors of modern Mazda models. They assume they have to call an expensive tow truck or smash a window just to get inside the car and pop the hood. But if you take a close look at the physical key fob itself, there is a secret mechanical key hiding inside the plastic casing. You simply slide the small release latch on the back of the fob and a real metal key pops out into your hand. But here is where the real secret lies that most owners never discover even after reading the owner's manual. There is a tiny hidden keyhole cleverly disguised beneath a protective plastic cover right on the driver's door handle. If you use the edge of your emergency metal key to pop off that small plastic trim piece, the hidden lock cylinder is revealed. You can manually unlock your car door, step inside the cabin and pop the front hood to jumpstart your dead battery immediately. It saves you hundreds of dollars in towing fees and prevents you from damaging your beautiful sports car during an emergency situation. Even if your key fob battery completely dies while you are far away from home, you can still start the engine using another hidden trick. By pushing the start-stop button directly with the Mazda emblem on your dead key fob. A backup signal chip inside the fob starts the car anyway. You will never be left stranded in a dark parking lot just because a tiny button cell battery ran out of power. Additionally, if your electronic trunk release stops working due to a dead main battery, Mazda thought of a mechanical backup for that too. There is a hidden pull cable mechanism concealed behind the rear license plate frame or inside the carpet lining of the boot. Pulling this emergency loop instantly pops the trunk lid mechanically, allowing you to fetch your jump leads or tools in seconds. Mazda spent countless hours hiding these brilliant little engineering touches all over the MX-5 Miata to make your ownership experience better. From hidden footwell storage compartments to automatic open-air heating modes, this car is packed with thoughtful details that prove why it is so special. The more time you spend driving a Miata, the more you appreciate the incredible passion that went into designing every single component. These thoughtful additions show that Mazda cares about real drivers who want practical solutions in a small package. Every secret feature serves a genuine purpose, whether it is keeping you warm, securing your belongings, or getting you out of an unexpected emergency. It is precisely this obsessive attention to detail that sets the Miata apart from almost every other sports car on the market today. If you learned something new today and want to discover more secret car features, buyer guides, and automotive breakdowns, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check out the special links in the description below to support the channel and join our enthusiast community. Until next time, keep exploring your car, enjoy the open road, and I will see you in the very next video.